This video is a little about myself and my channel. I started construction about 16, 17 years old, then went into business as a general contractor around 19. As a contractor for roughly 15 years, I did all aspects of construction: carpentry, electric, plumbing, HVAC, roofing, flooring, tile laying, masonry. For the last 23 years, I have been a senior supervisor of building inspectors for a large county here in South Florida. I have been in the construction industry roughly 40 years. When I was a young man, I had a collection of old muscle cars. That's when I got involved with doing mechanics, working on engines, bodywork, and painting. Ever since, and still to this day, I have always done my own car repairs, whether it be mechanics, body repair, or painting. Also, through the years, I have done all my own electronics and appliance repairs. I have never been shy to jump into and fix anything in all my life. I have always been a technical person, never afraid to take apart anything that needed fixing. I also play the drums, guitar, and bass. So I started this channel for people who are do-it-yourselfers. I have and will post videos for others who just need some info on a variety of subjects to hopefully help others. My channel will have many different types of videos, and once in a while, when I get a little extra time, some music. I am not doing this channel for any money. I really want this channel to hopefully help others, but I still need likes, shares, and subscriptions. That helps with the algorithm on YouTube to put your videos on top for others to find. I want to thank you in advance to those who subscribe, like, and share, and hope my videos can help you.